Photo bomber. Photo na photo. Ito talaga. Photo bomber.
Nakaano kasi ng 10 seconds.
Just before the big day, picture taking po kami rito.
Happy birthday,
Picture. Ayan, nagkakagulo. May mga picture taking. Kaya I've just decided to just take a video. Ayan. Ayun yung anak ni Arlene. Photographer namin. She's a professional.
Thank you, te.
Ayan yung photo area. Maganda kasi pa merong arch.
Basta ihatag mo sa ako. Ang imong...
The birthday celebrant. Dito. Kaya lahat kayo rito capture.
We are the army!
Practice lang yun. Atake muna. 2, 3.
We are the Rockabilly Bay! We are the Rockabilly Bay! We are the Rockabilly Bay!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello! Welcome to
Pareho tayo nagbablog.
Arlene's birthday party! But we don't know the age!
Yay! Hooray!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Datingan ng mga pagkain namin. Not quite, yung iba wala pa. Sa akin itong Cadbury. Para maiba-iba naman kasi lagi na lang yung ibang pagkain wala pa eh. Ayan.
Binidyo mo ng lahat may pagkain.
Ayan mo na. Ayan. Ayan na, dumadating na. Ayan na, dumating na.
The other one here, and the other one.
Yeah, mine.
Okay.
Yeah, mine, please.
Ito sa akin kakaiba. Kay Joey. Ulit. Kanina hindi pa kumakain. Kasi mga gutom sila. Hindi mo muna kakausapin, mga gutom pa. Ito po yung aftermath ng aming pinagkainan. Aftermath. Parang yung bagyong Karina. Bumaha ng bumaha rito.